Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a template on the Clarify website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the website, and after going to the website, we have to create our account. And after account creation, simply we have to open the profile. As you can see, we are here. And now simply you will be able to see the option of the create here. So we have to click on the create. And after clicking on the create, we have to choose an option which is called use an app template. So let's click on this option. And after clicking on this option, as you can see, you are going to see a lot of templates here. Now you have to choose that which type of template you want to use. Model 7, Workflow 7, these all templates are provided here, like the text moderation, sentiment analysis, coding template. You have to choose which template you want. For example, I am gonna like the text moderation. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, now here's an option for the select theme. So we have to select the theme if you want to select this. They have provided the information, tag, description, base, workflow, each and everything is provided here. Select template. I'm going to click on this. And as you can see, it has an option for the create app. So we have to click on the create app. And after clicking on this, you have to provide some other details as well. So in this way, you can use a template. In this way, you can create a app using a template on the Clarify website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.